Hi guys, this Spray Adhesive is versatile and easy to use. Solution for a variety of projects. It bonds light-duty materials like paper, fabric, wood, plastic and more in little as 15 seconds. The mist spray application ensures even coverage and the glue dries cleaner giving your project a neat finish. Whatever you're working on crafts, school projects or photo albums, this adhesive provides a strong hold and is even photo safe for preserving memories. It means California Air Resource Board standards and has less than 30% VOC emissions, making it cleaner options for indoor use. Perfect for decoration, soundproofing, or simple repairs. This Spray Adhesive is a reliable addition to your toolkit.